Hi guys, and welcome back to the Exploding Creeper. And today we're gonna play Crossy Road, which is basically a game where you control a little character and just avoid all the obstacles and don't get hit by these cars. And you collect these coins, and there's different cool characters that you can mess around with, and you don't fall in the water. Oh no! Oh, that was close. Go no, my goodness. And you can just get free gift for money or whatever. Oh, I got 100. And if you have 100, you can win your character, another character. What am I gonna get? That kind of looks like Pokeballs. Not gonna lie. What is it? It's a code. Okay, I'm gonna play with you. Let's go. Yeah. You can do it. I believe you. Oh yeah, and if you use different characters, they'll change the background. And don't fall into water or touch fire, or you're gonna get flushed away. Poof. And don't get squished. Oh no, the train's coming. It's gonna squash your character. Poof. Yes! You can do it. Top 33. I just beat my high score. Yes. Should I risk it? I'm gonna risk it. Yes! Oh, a police car. Wait, no one did something bad. Why are they coming from there? No! I got 54. Let's go. We get in 2 minutes. You can do stuff with your and stuff. Okay, let's go. For this episode or something, for this video, my goal is to get 2 more characters. Oh, so close. Yes, go. Oh yeah, and if you get so bad, you wait here for so long, you will still die. Watch. You'll get killed by an eagle. So fall in the water, just tap and swipe. Tap, you go front, swipe left, go left, right. Swipe right, you go right. No! Why did you do that? Okay, 110. Okay. It's gonna be a token? Okay, what's the background? It's in a city. This looks pretty. Welcome to... Yeah. Get out. Tap. Let's go. Boom. Does this have any special abilities? I think so. Oh, I got to the beach. Oh, that was so clear. What is that? Is that an orange? Did I just eat an orange? No! Dang it! Ooh, should I watch an ad to get none? No. Be sure to subscribe to me. I just do some gaming stuff and make Lego movies, stuff like that. Comment down below, do you think I'm good at this game? I'm also gonna try and get a high score of 60. Hashtag Sylvia. Crossy Road. Crossy Road. No. Yes, no! It's just a black screen. Okay. I just important for a black screen. Great. Tap, 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 tap. Yes. You see that? This literally got squashed. Not really squashed, but yeah. Comment down below. Should I get like an intro or something? Anyways, dudes, I'm gonna end this video right here. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also click the notification thing. And I got jumped. And goodbye.